I joined the police 28 years ago and we did have CCTV then, but the images were very grainy and it didn't often capture the evidence. The cameras that we've got now are state of the art. They can zoom in considerable distances in pitch black and pick up images. It's so flexible and meets the absolute needs of operational policing. One of the things we were really keen to do was a fully integrated system that was accessible to all. Our old system was accessible in the control room, but our officers outside couldn't access it. So every officer in Cumbria Constabulary that's had appropriate training, which takes an hour, they can take their laptops out when they're on patrol and actually view it live time. And we're also implementing a system which enables them to operate it on their force issue mobile phones. So you can stand out and about on the street and you can manipulate the camera around the corner to keep an eye on a situation that's developing. Because it's an integrated system, all of the data is stored by Bedroq for us in secure data centres. Having our own CCTV system across the whole county enables us to align our needs with the requirements of the system so we can focus on putting the cameras where we need them rather than having to share the asset with other resources. It also means that we're very flexible about how we can use it, when we can use it and how we can access and store data, and that's really important to us. We knew it would be quick, but it works far beyond what we would imagine. Within the first 2 months of us going live with the system, we found that it's paid for itself in the time we've saved. We had a kidnap case. We had approximately 1,200 hours of footage. We put that through the brief cam analytical system, which is provided to us by Bedroq, and within less than an hour, we had identified the vehicle and who was driving it. They were arrested and the victim was safeguarded. My advice to other forces that are looking for video analytics is do your research. Understand what you actually want and need from the system. I think what's been critical for Cumbria is we've brought the analytical product in at the same time that we've updated our cameras. Through Bedroq, we've been able to design a holistic system that makes the best use of the cameras, where they are, the analytical system, brief cam, and then the operator that sits behind it. Other forces may want different things, so think long and hard about what you want at the start, but also have a system that can evolve and adapt to your needs over time, and the system we've got enables us to do that.